Let us now break down how to manage billing and subscriptions in GoHighLevel step by step. And if you have not yet signed up for the 30 days free trial of GoHighLevel, find the link in the resources section and I'll also send you access to the $1,000 worth of course that would help you scale and grow, and an access to private community with weekly live coaching calls. Okay, so let's continue with setting up Stripe as the first step. I go to settings, I come to integrations. Here it is, Stripe. So I connect my Stripe over here. If I disconnect, it gets disconnected. If I connect it, it gets connected. That's how easy it is. So once the Stripe is connected, your account is now ready to collect payment from your clients. Now this enables payment collection for invoices, funnels, and SaaS plans. Now, once this is done, you go back. You select one of the accounts that you're going to use. Come to payments. And over here, you can now create products. You can add your services, you can add the plan, set pricing, and choose whether it's a one-time or a recurring charge. You can add description, assign them to specific funnels, and even attach tags. Now that's all what you can do from products alone. Then you can send invoices or send direct payment links. Under payments, you have the options for invoices, recurring invoices, templates, and estimates. Now you can send them manually or even automate them via workflows. You can also use direct payment links inside emails or funnels. Then you have the option of automated subscription onboarding. So if you are using SaaS mode to bundle GHL access with your pricing tiers, automate onboarding workflows that get triggered after the payment. That's interesting if you are in the SaaS mode. Failed payment handling and notifications. Well, you can set up workflows to notify clients on failed payments automatically, including retry logic, email reminders, and escalation alerts to your team. You can also have a report and a revenue tracking. You can use the payments dashboard to track the revenue, invoice status, and subscription performance. Filter by client, status, or time period for easy analysis. That's all that you can do using the payments, and how you can manage the subscriptions, the invoices, and all of it.